Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. I am your host, Corinne Cahill. Happy Friday. I hope you are going to be able to get out and enjoy the nice weather this weekend. I'm on the beach because in the spirit of summer, today we are going to be exploring the power of water by making our own water wheels. But first, we're going to play Spot the Quapple. I will put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find them. There are 5 Quapples in this photo. The Quapple is our education logo in the bottom left corner of your screen. Let me just start this clock over for you, and we will let you find those and let our friends join us this morning. Let me know if you're able to find them. About 20 seconds left. I think I hit at least one of these really well. About 15 seconds. 10. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It freezes and then I can't count down correctly. And then I give you even more time. So here's the answer. All 5 circled there. I thought the Quapple with the Q covering up the Queen logo up there on the boat was pretty good. If you didn't find them, no worries. We'll play again next week. Just be here right at 9:30 so that you have enough time. So the thing on the back of that boat is a water wheel, and that's what we're going to be making today. So you are going to need to gather 2 heavy-duty paper plates, 6 mini plastic cups about 3 ounces size, wooden skewer, and duct tape. I only had the gray duct tape, but if you had the colorful duct tape, you could always use that. But that's what I had to use. And you can also color your plates if you'd like, but I didn't do that for this one. So, what is a water wheel? Water wheels are often referred to as water mills. Long ago, the power of water was used to help grind flour and for other tasks. Falls Park in Post Falls used to be a water-powered lumber mill, and there's lots of history boards about it in the park if you want to walk through there and read those. It's very fun and educational. Water wheels can also be used to generate electricity, which is actually what the dam in Post Falls Park is used for now. You can see in that middle picture. And then that right picture is just a beautiful shot of the river from Falls Park. So if you haven't been there, you may as well go out there and check it out this weekend with your family. Gorgeous views. And of course, we live in the best area ever. So how are you going to set up to make your own water wheel, which is the picture in that top left? First, you are going to have a parent help you poke a hole through your plates and the very center with your wooden skewer so that the wooden skewer fits in there just right. If you have the heavy duty plates, this may take a little bit of time, so that's why you want to have your parent help you so no one gets stabbed with their wooden skewers. Then you're going to arrange 6 cups in a circle around the bottom of the plate, and you want them to be the bottoms of the cups to be right at that hole and the tops of the cups to be at the edges of that inner ring. My cups were a little too big, so I actually could only fit 4 on here. But you can see I really used my duct tape there. Then when you're done securing, you'll put that extra plate on top and secure that with duct tape, and you'll thread your skewer through the center of the plate. You do want to try and find those little 3-ounce cups because my water wheel seemed to malfunction since there was only 4 cups on there. But we work with what we have, and it worked out in the end, and it was still entertaining to watch. So let's go ahead and see what happens when we add water to our water wheels. You could do this with a bath faucet, a sink, or an outside hose. You're going to turn on the water gently and hold the skewers with both hands securely underneath the water. Now because that water is moving, it has kinetic energy. We're using that energy to get the water wheel to spin. As the water fills the bucket at the top of the wheel, the gravity and weight of the water causes the wheel to rotate around the axis, which is our wooden skewer. You could try varying this experiment to see what happens with faster water. You can see mine was a little confused because it did want to land in between the cups because I should have had cups there, but my cups were a little too big. So you can hear mine actually worked better with the faster water. I ended up turning up the water. Maybe you can even make a new water wheel that uses paddles instead of cups. That may have been a better option since I didn't have the right size cups. But you can see I still got spin. So I did pretty good. Let me know if you're able to try this. Send us your pictures of your water wheels. We'll put the instructions in the comments for you to try this lesson. I hope you join us Monday for Magic Monday, because we are gonna be playing with water again and making it suspend. It's the water suspension trick, and you won't wanna miss it. Of course, have a great weekend. Until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.